Motorola has announced its new smartphone under Edge series globally called Motorola Edge 30. Talking about the specifications. The Motorola Edge 30 features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 144Hz refresh rate support, and the screen is HDR10+ certified. The phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G Plus chipset, paired with Adreno 642L GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of RAM and 128 or 256GB of internal storage. For photos and videos, the Motorola Edge 30 is equipped by a triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 50MP main camera with a 1.8 aperture, plus another 50MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 180° field of view and a 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone can capture up to 4K videos at 30 frames per second, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. At the front, it has 32MP selfie camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.25 aperture. The device comes backed by a large 4020 mAh battery with 33W turbo power charging support, and it runs on Android 12 based on MyUX skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it is IP52 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 159.4 by 74.2 by 6.8mm, and it weighs around 155 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Motorola Edge 30 has been priced for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at €450, while the pricing details for the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is yet to announce by the company. The smartphone is said to be soon available for purchase globally in Aurora Green, Meteor Grey, and Supermoon Silver color options. So what do you guys think of this Motorola Edge 30 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSolve YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.